JB Weld brings the world's strongest bond to deep pour epoxy. For pour-on projects, nothing works better. It has a quick cure time and provides the protection needed for river tables, castings, and more. Start by cleaning and prepping your surface. You'll want a 70 to 80 degree room. Then grab your equipment and tools. For porous surfaces, apply a thin coat of clear top first and wait until tacky. Measure and pour in a 2-to-1 ratio. Mix for 5 to 7 minutes. If using pigment, mix it in now. Let it sit for 3 minutes. Pour mixture to a depth of up to 1 inch. Use a heat gun to remove bubbles. If more depth is needed, wait for the first coat to become tacky before pouring a second coat. Wait 24 hours for a full cure. For an extra smooth finish, you can sand and apply oil. And your serving tray is complete.
JB Weld, world's strongest bond.